Which of the processes described below are irreversible? Let's look at the first option, A. The increase in temperature of an iron rod by hammering it. This process is an irreversible process because by hammering the rod, there is going to be a plastic deformation, and this plastic deformation is not an irreversible process. So therefore, the first option is irreversible. Let's look at the second option. A gas in a small container at a temperature T1 is brought in contact with a big reservoir at a higher temperature T2, which increases the temperature of the gas. So it is given that there is a small container which has gas at temperature T1, and this is brought to contact with a big reservoir which is of temperature T2. Here T2 is greater than T1 and the heat flows from the reservoir to the container, and this leads to an increase in temperature of the gas in the container. This is an irreversible process because heat always travels from higher temperature to lower temperature, and this heat cannot be reverted back. So therefore option B is also an irreversible process. Let's look at option C. A quasi-static isothermal expansion of an ideal gas in a cylinder fitted with a frictionless piston. As the process is quasi-static and it is fitted with a frictionless piston, there is no heat dissipation due to friction, and also the process is quasi-static, means that it is a reversible process. So option C is a reversible process. Let's look at option D. An ideal gas is enclosed with a piston cylinder arrangement with adiabatic valve. A weight W is added to the piston, resulting in compression of gas. This is not a quasi-static process because weight W is added to the piston in no time. So it is a sudden irreversible process. So option D is also an irreversible process. In fact, option D is a constant pressure irreversible process. So the irreversible processes in all the four options are option A, option B, and option D.